welcome to another great episode of Liberty Creek. Okay, I just ate a chocolate cupcake, probably in my teeth again. So anyway, we were up here last weekend and it rained all Saturday, but Jen and I got all the cross beams done. I'm sure you just watched that, or I'm about to put it on now. So let's get back to work. I'm getting tired, so we're going to call it a night. It gets dark, I think at 7:20 now, and it's probably creeping up at 7 o'clock. So we're going to clean up the work site a little bit. Tomorrow we'll hit it again hard, and now the goal is definitely to try to get the sheeting on the front, the back, and hopefully get the roof. Put a nail through the wall into the level. These are my quick steps. I made some steps over here because I'm sick of using the ladder to get in. These are all jacked up, and my wife has to keep reminding me she don't like the steps. Only temporary.
You nailed the level.
I nailed the level. Check it out. Oh my goodness.
I said to the right.
Yeah, I know. How are we going to do this here? Oh, God. Okay, we're wrapping it up. We got about 2.5 hour ride home, so I'll wrap it up a little early today. I didn't feel like driving home in the dark. We got a lot accomplished, but of course not as much as I wanted to. That would take me another hour probably to complete, and we don't have it. We gotta get going. But we got all the plywood on everywhere on the cabin except for the roof. So I'm gonna try to attempt to put the tarp back up on there. And the only thing that really sucks is I'm not going to be able to come up next weekend because of work. I may try, but I don't think I can. I don't have it just won't be worth it because I have to work Saturday. So it is what it is. I hope it doesn't rain too much and really ruin my wood. But we should be dried in probably within the next 2 visits. My battery's about to die. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks. And give me a thumbs up.